you're watching right now, this is a severe wind that hit Istanbul, Turkey. Now to the details. A powerful storm pounded Istanbul and other parts of Turkey, causing havoc in the city of 15 million people. The wind blew away 33 roofs and uprooted more than 200 trees. Storm knocked down 52 traffic lights and road signs and damaged more than 12 cars. It also knocked down a clock tower. Fishing boats sank in the Pandrik district. At least 6 Turkish airline flights were diverted to the cities of Ankara and Izmir.
Oo, eyvah eyvah.